Good afternoon from Chop Shop Auto Parts. Today we're bringing you an 02 Buick Century with a 3.1 automatic with 87,000 miles. The stock number for this vehicle is 160844. This Buick Century does have a bad engine. We'll walk around. It does have good body parts, good fenders, front bumpers, headlights, corner marker lights, nice grille. We have tried to crank the vehicle, but we cannot get it to start. It just spins over, so I'm assuming that it has probably scorched strings, low compression, something to that nature. All right. We'll show you the inside and show you the actual mileage. Tan, cloth interior. All right. 87,220. And we'll try to spin it over. Just spins over, will not fire. Show you under the hood. As you can see, it's pretty clean underneath. So, if you have any questions or anything you'd like to know about this car, please contact us on our Facebook page, Chop Shop Auto Parts. You can message us there, or you can call us at 828-247-4111. Thank you, and I appreciate your time.